So, hello students, this is class 3rd. Class 3rd. Subject GSC and date is 13th May 2021. We are studying lesson 9 soil. Lesson 9 soil. So in this lesson we are studying worksheet 9, and in this worksheet 9 we have completed fill in the blanks, take the right answer, match the following and name the following. Today E, answer the following. E, answer the following. Answer the following. In this answer the following, first answer, what is soil? First one is, what is soil? So here, soil is the uppermost layer of earth in which plants grow. First answer you have to write, soil is the uppermost layer of the earth in which plants grow. So here, what is soil? The soil is the uppermost layer of the earth in which plants grow. Now we have to see next question. How is soil formed? Draw a diagram to show different layers of soil. So how is soil formed? Draw a diagram to show different layers of soil. So soil is formed by weathering of rocks. So second question, soil is formed by weathering of rocks. So rock breaks into pieces and as a result soil is formed. So next part of this question, draw a diagram to show different layers of soil. So diagram is given. To this diagram show the different layers of the soil. So diagram it is given here. So uppermost layer we have to see many green plants. Uppermost layer of the soil we can observe many green plants. This is uppermost layer of the soil, which is most fertile layer of the soil also. It is fertile, contain the humus, etc., etc. Plants can grow in this layers. In this layer only plants can grow. So this layer is top soil. This is top soil, and after that next layer is subsoil. So this is subsoil is here. And after that this is subsoil. Subsoil. And third layer is bedrock. Bedrock. And in this case of the bedrock, there are many stones. Only in this rock, in this layer, stones. So and this layer is very dense layer. So plants are growing in these layers. So this is topsoil, subsoil, and bedrock. So these are the different layers of soils. So next part of the this lesson, draw diagram to show different layers of soil. So here we can write below the diagram layers of soil. Layers of soil. It's layers of soil, different layers of. So that's for today. Thank you.